What's good, YouTube? Your boy Danny back with another video. Today, coming with some hot shit for y'all, boy. We got my top 3 harmonized presets. I will be pushing these out alongside the regular presets. These are going to be in the Patreon. This is like some more of the exclusive stuff that I have going on this channel. Let me fix the screen real quick. So I'm gonna show you the vocal with no harmonize on it, just pure vocal. I'm needing you now more than you ever know. I'm kicking the cup, hope I don't die slow. I'm kicking the cup so I can move on. Start a new chapter, you moved on.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
That's with no harmonized preset, no nothing, just pure vocals. Then this is with the harmonized preset on. I'm kicking the cup, cause I'm bachelor. I'm kicking the cup, so I move on. Start a new chapter, you moved on. So yeah, that's with the harmonized preset. So that's the first harmonized preset. And I'm gonna show you guys the other harmonized preset. I'm needing you now more than you ever know. I'm kicking the cup, hope I don't die slow. I'm kicking the cup so I can move on. Start a new chapter, you moved on. That's the second one. And now I'm gonna show you guys the third one.
I'm needing you now more than you ever know. I'm kicking the cup, hope I don't die slow. I'm kicking the cup so I can move on. Start a new chapter, you moved on.
And you can also layer these with each other to kind of like, or you can use one for ad-libs as well, as I did in this song. I'm gonna also show you that. So this is how it sounds when you kind of like use one for regular vocals and then the other one as a layer of some sort or ad-lib of some sort. So this is how it would sound.
I'm needing you now more than you ever know. I'm kicking the cup, hope I don't die slow. I'm kicking the cup so I can move on. Start a new chapter, you moved on. You moved on. Start a new chapter, you moved on.
And yeah, that's basically it. Everything is gonna be in the link in the description. The Patreon link is where the presets are gonna be. These are only gonna be about $20. It's pretty cheap for the quality of preset I made, and it's like all from me. This isn't just snatched from somebody's website or anything like this. These are like custom, tailor-made. And also I will be leaving tutorial videos in the folder to show you guys how to get the plugins if needed. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.